Ambajkars have gathered today. We are launching a signature campaign. This is regarding the house tax issue, which has been plaguing the minds of the people, because house tax is likely to increase after the coming into force of the new ordinance. So we are all aggrieved by this, and so we have decided to come together and write to our respective MLAs and urge them to take this up in the assembly, not only take up the other points in the ordinance, but specifically the points on house tax. So we have written this memorandum, this representation. We are hoping it will reach the ears of the eyes of the representatives and the ears of the people in the assembly. And we are going to obtain the signatures of all the Ambajkars here from Fatorda.
किती मागणी एक्झॅक्टली मागणी किती आहे तुमची?
मागणे असा की we want that the new ordinance which is introducing a fresh system of taxation, that fresh system of taxation has to be revoked absolutely. The fresh system of capital value system of taxation has to be completely revoked. Secondly, we are saying that whatever the current system is, that may be maintained, the current system of calculation, that may be maintained, and it may be revised every 5 years if at all. Thirdly, that we may incorporate a provision for deemed revision, as I said, and the deemed revision provision, that every 5 years we may revise, not before that. So these are the three magne ahe commercial law. So after thoroughly reading the ordinance, we've come up with this learned view, and we have duly also informed our electoral over here, and they are also with us, and they also believe that this is something that is going to gravely affect the most honest taxpayers. They are the ones who contribute, and the contributing members only are being pinched the most. So therefore we are extremely aggrieved with this.
केल्लो आसा कित्याक आम फकत आयकूं येतालें की सेक्शन 88 एमेंड जालें म्हण, पण वेरेज गॅझेट आम पळयलें जाल्यार ऑर्डिनन्स जेन्ना आमी पळयलें तितून सेक्शन 88 फक्त एक भाग आसा. ताजे उपरांत 101, 109 हे सगळे जे सेक्शन्स आसा ते डायरेक्टली रिलेटींग टू द हावस टॅक्स, जी घराची टॅक्स आसा जावं शॉपाची टॅक्स आसा, प्रायवेट प्रिमायसीस. सो हे कोण उलयना, आनी वेरेज हे ऑर्डिनन्सा प्रमाणे जे घातिल्ले आसा, जी लॉज एमेंड केल्ले आसा ते प्रमाणे कितलेशे पावटी हावस टॅक्स वाडपा आसा. जो कोण 1000 रुपया देखून फारीक करता जाल्यार फाल्यां तो 10-15 हजार फारीक करतलो. म्हळ्यार एक रेटेबल वॅल्यू तेमी मातशें चेंज केल्लें आसा बेज्ड ऑन रेंट, म्हण रिसिवेबल रेंट ऑर एक्चुअल रेंट. म्हळ्यार सपोज तूं तुज्या ओन घरां रावता आनी तें घर सपोज तुवें तें भाड्या दिल्लें, तुका कितलें भाडें मेळटा आशिल्लें? 15,000. जाल्यार ते 15,000 तुवें टॅक्स म्हण फारीक करपा जाय प्रत्येक वर्साक. तूं त्या घरा रावनूय बी, ऑर तें घर बंद आसा, तें फ्लॅट बंद आसा, तें दुकान बंद आसा, तरीपसान तुवें ते रेंटा बेसिसाचेर तुवें फाल्यां हावस टॅक्स फारीक करपा पडटा. आनी दुसरो कॉन्सेप्ट म्हणटा तो कॅपिटल वॅल्यू. कॅपिटल वॅल्यू म्हणल्यार जो त्या प्रिमायसिसाचो वॅल्यू इन्क्लुडींग द कॉस्ट ऑफ द लँड, हो वॅल्यू हें करून 0.1% to 1% टॅक्स लावपाक म्युन्सिपालिटीक हक आसतलो फाल्यां. सो आमी इवन 0.5% सपोज दवरलें, फाल्यां म्युन्सिपालिटीन 0.5% घेतली दवरया जाल्यार एक 50 लाखाचो जो फ्लॅट आसा, वॅल्यू सपोज 50 लॅक्साचो आसा जाल्यार तो मिनिमम 25,000 पडटलो. त्या 25,000 टॅक्स येतले. सो इतले सामकें 10-15 फावटी टॅक्स इन्क्रीज हें एक्चुअली कोणाकूय शक्य ना, आनी एफोर्डेबलूय ना सांगपा म्हणल्यार.